How to put SIM card in iPhone 14. As of my last update in September 2021, the iPhone 14 has not been released, so I don't have specific instructions for inserting a SIM card into that particular
model. However, I can provide a general guide for inserting a SIM card into an iPhone, which should apply to most iPhone models. Please note that the process may vary slightly depending on the iPhone model you have. Title: How to Insert a SIM Card in an iPhone Step-by-Step Guide. Introduction. Host: Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to insert a SIM card into an iPhone, whether you're setting up a new iPhone or switching carriers. This guide will help you get your iPhone ready for use. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate the SIM card tray host. The SIM card tray is usually located on the side of the iPhone on most models. It will be on the right side. However, in some older models, it might be on the left side. Take a look at your iPhone and locate the small pinhole on the side. Step 2. Get the SIM ejector tool host. Apple provides a SIM ejector tool in the iPhone's packaging. If you can't find it, you can use a paperclip or a similar small, pointed object. Make sure your iPhone is powered off before proceeding. Step 3. Insert the SIM ejector tool host. Gently insert the SIM ejector tool into the pinhole and apply a small amount of pressure until the SIM card tray pops out. Be careful not to push too hard to avoid damaging your iPhone. Step 4. Remove the SIM card tray host. Once the SIM card tray is partially out, you can remove it from the iPhone using your fingers. It's a small rectangular tray. Step 5. Place the SIM card host. Take your SIM card and ensure it's properly oriented according to the shape of the SIM card tray. Carefully place the SIM card on the tray, ensuring the gold contacts face downwards. Step 6. Reinsert the SIM card tray host now. Slide the SIM card tray back into the iPhone until it clicks into place. Make sure it's securely inserted. Step 7. Power on your iPhone host. Power on your iPhone and wait for it to recognize the SIM card. Once it's ready, you should see the carrier signal bars at the top of the screen. Conclusion. Host: Congratulations, you've successfully inserted a SIM card into your iPhone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Note: Host, please remember that the process may differ slightly depending on the iPhone model you have. Always refer to your iPhone's user manual or Apple's official website for specific instructions.